So today we got something pretty sick going on in the Mustang. Not only are we doing some maintenance stuff, maybe getting the car lower. Oh, and look at that. I saved y'all the hassle of hearing me bitch and complain about lifting up the car. But there's the plug for that. But what's going on the car today is some Scotty race development dual caliper bracket. Isn't that sick? So I was thinking, because I've been having this weird noise in my rear end for a while now, ever since I had some shop work on it. I'm not gonna say the name. I don't want to slander anybody if they're in business or not, but whatever. So I'm planning on popping open the diff, taking a look in there, seeing what's going on, because they put a posi in it whenever I told them to just weld the diff, and they didn't, and I got 410s in there, and it's just a cluster in the rear end of the car. So gonna figure that out. And I was thinking, while I'm in there, I might as well, because I'm gonna have to do all this stuff again if I want to do the dual caliper bracket, and, you know, taking apart the axle, taking the axles out, taking the rear end kind of sort of apart, not really, but so I just decided while I was in there, put these sick dual caliper kits on. And I cannot say enough, like, these things are so sick. Like, the quality of these is insane, and it's so cool. They look really, really good, and they're gonna look even better on the car. Okay, so got the calipers off, and I gotta ask, for all my fellow New Edge, Fox, S195 guys, how the do you take off the bottom bolt on the caliper in the rear with this e-brake line in the way? There's got to be a better way than just wrench on the thing and get it off. Like, there has to be something I'm missing here. So if you guys know, just please tell me, because, like, that shit's so annoying. But alright, so now that I got the calipers off, next step should be to pop the rear cover off the diff. Diff, let the fluid drain out, get the diff cover off, C clips out, axles out, diff, blah 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 blah, everything off, take it all off, take it all apart. I feel like these weren't torqued down properly. Wouldn't fucking surprise me. Oh, I almost fucked up. Okay, I almost fucked up, and I didn't check and see if you could get the fill plug out first. Because how are you going to add fluid if you can't get it out? So make sure you can get it out first. No, you're not dripping on me. Fuck that. I don't want to smell like that shit. I decided to put some gloves on because I don't want this shit on me, like on my person. So.
Walkie slush.
Oh, it's f***ing on me. Son of a bitch. Shit. I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting this to smell a lot worse than it does. Like, don't get me wrong. This smells like shit. But it's not bad shit? We're gonna go see how Mom and Hannah like the smell. Hey, Mama.
What, baby?
I need you to do me a favor.
What's that?
Smell this on my arm.
That's nasty.
Hey, Hannah.
Nope.
Hannah. Hannah, hey, come. You can smell it in the garage anyway.
Oh. God. No.
Alrighty. So here's what we're working with. Got to take this bolt out next. This little tiny one to get the pin out. Pin? Rod? Whatever. But what the fuck? So that's what my diff looks like. Holy shit. So this is what they put in my diff. How am I even gonna... What the fuck? All this shit's moving? What the hell? Like, these are moving up and down, and then these are rotating from, you know, see that? And then like that, I can move it like that. So that's what my chattering is. What the f... And as I move this, the hub is turning. And this feels like it's been f***ed up. Like, the edges right here feel like they're bending backwards from where they were supposed to be. And taking it out is super easy, but I just gotta say, I'm pissed about this. Like, I'm very livid. But I think for right now, the best thing to do is order a mini spool, another mini spool, and I myself am going to install it properly, because I haven't taken it out yet. But whatever the f this shop that is local to me, you know, I'm not going to say their name, but it's 3 letters in motorsports afterwards. You can do with that what you will. I'm not saying any names, but I'm saying it's easy to find them, and don't go to them, because this is bullshit. And I might make a story time video about them and some other experiences that I've had with said shop. But yeah, figured out how to take it apart, figured out what to do to properly install it. So I'm gonna order a new one, and that seems to be the most cost-effective method. And if I install it properly, it'll work fine. But if any of you are watching this to drift a Mustang, just weld your diff. Just weld the spider gears on your diff. That's it. Just leave it at that. Don't let a shop talk you out of it like I did. I'm gonna go off the rails here with that, but let's save it for a story time episode probably, or something. But yeah, I'm gonna pop everything open, take everything apart, get the axles out, do the bearings and at least get the dual caliper kit on. At least look at it on the car. So that would be cool. So we still got progress to be made, just a little setback. So, yeah. My phone just died. I think my phone just died. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Love it. Sick. Tubular. Future Thomas here. This will be the end to part 1 of the rear end saga. This is filmed 3 weeks after what y'all saw. And it's all just taken apart. The Mustang is obviously still up on jack stands. It's still not done. Parts still aren't on it. It's just a whole debacle that I'll have a full complete video, I guess, explaining what happened. But just to kind of explain the stuff that happened in today's video and a couple of the reasons why I was so pissed in it. So this is the mini spool that came out of the car. Y'all can probably see how tore up that is and just completely destroyed these are. This is supposed to be straight. And it's just fucked. That's the first thing that happened, and just to explain it a little bit better in this video, the bolt that holds the differential pin in snapped, and I didn't quite know that it snapped, and I kept kind of just like hammering a screwdriver in there. But then I started to look stuff up, and apparently this is a common thing, and y'all will know the solution in the next video. But got that out. It's just been a real pain in the ass. Even just up to this point where we're at now, it wasn't so bad, but just the fact of looking at that mini spool just pissed me off. It really just angered the utter living shit out of me, because, you know, as a customer, you take this to professionals and, you know, you expect your car to be treated right and get the proper parts, and it didn't. The part probably was fine. It was just the installation that caused the part failure. So there's that. Yeah, I've just now hit the part of progress, I guess. But depending on the footage in the next coming episodes, because after this I kind of just like set the phone down, set the camera down, and I just kind of focused on getting it done because I was so pissed and I just wanted it to be over, and it's still not over. So yeah, I just wanted to fill y'all in on what really happened, and just a quick rundown again. The mini spool fucked. The bolt that holds everything together fucked. Can't get the axles out because the bolt technically isn't out, so fucked. Ordered a new posi, or ordered a new mini spool, fucked because it's the wrong mini spool. I ordered a 31 spline and not a 28 spline because I'm an idiot. So watch the next videos and get a full rundown, I guess, of everything that's went on from past Thomas to future Thomas. So that's about it for this one. Bye.